Street fights aren't UFC matches. They're explosive, chaotic, and over in 3 seconds or less. You don't have time for complex techniques. You need fight enders. These 3 moves require zero martial arts experience, work under adrenaline dump, and are designed to create enough space to escape. Not win, escape. When adrenaline hits, your fine motor skills disappear. You can't make a fist properly. You can't execute complex techniques, but gross motor skills remain. Pushing, slamming, stomping. These techniques use only gross motor patterns anyone can execute under extreme stress. They're not pretty. They're effective. First technique, face push to leg destruction. As they charge, both palms to their face, fingers up toward forehead, heels of palms to nose/eyes. Don't punch. Push violently. This disrupts vision and balance. Immediately, stomp their lead leg's knee or ankle. Not a kick, a stomp, like crushing a can. Their forward momentum combined with your stomp hyperextends the joint. They go down. You go away. 2 seconds. Second technique, redirect their momentum. If they grab or charge in close quarters, don't fight their force. Use it. Step slightly aside and guide their head/shoulders into the nearest hard surface. Wall, parked car, doorway. Your job isn't to slam them. It's to guide their own momentum into something unyielding. The impact stuns. You're already moving away before they hit the ground. Use environment as weapon. Third technique, improvised barrier. If you're carrying anything, backpack, grocery bag, jacket, use it. Toss it at their face, not to hit them, to fill their visual field for 1 second. That's your window. While they process the unexpected object coming at their face, you're creating distance. This isn't about the item hurting them. It's about buying 1 second of confusion. In a 3-second fight, 1 second is everything. These techniques fail without the mental drill. See, decide, do. Practice scanning environments for potential weapons, walls, cars, objects. Decide in advance. If approached, I use technique 2 into that wall. Do without hesitation when triggered. Hesitation gets you hurt. Pre-decided action saves you. Drill this mentally daily until it's automatic. Critical understanding. Force must be reasonable and necessary. The stomp is reasonable if they're actively attacking. It's assault if they're on the ground and you continue. Your goal is always the same. Create enough space to escape. Not punish, not teach a lesson. Escape. The moment escape is possible, you must disengage legally and morally. Practice doesn't need a partner. Daily, 90 seconds. Drill each technique at 25% speed, focusing on mechanics. Then visualize full speed application. Then practice your see, decide, do scan in public spaces. These techniques work because they're simple enough to practice alone, but effective enough to save your life. If you value reality-based protection over martial arts fantasy, smash like. It supports practical self-defense education. Subscribe and hit notification bell. Friday. How to spot pre-attack indicators before violence starts. Stay aware, stay safe, stay gone in 3 seconds.